Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're at the car wash, and I've been like here like one time before, and I am really scared. But yeah, let's go with this car's video. So please insert cash or card. Starbucks. Ultra caramel. Starbucks. Oh, light.
Try the other way. Just try it.
You are now ready
I want my receipt.
Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Try the
So we're going in the car wash, and
I don't know how to get on that thing when that thing. People man tell you get, they tell you get on there. Man, you got a little bit there. Man, tell you get on. I don't know how to do it.
I saw this thing on YouTube where somebody did a prank. Heard me, Mama? Saw this thing on YouTube where somebody did a prank, and while they were in the car wash, all the windows were down.
I don't like it.
I'm like really scared.
They need a lot of.
Supposed to keep driving, or you just
I don't
roll
know
your
where is it. This car is neutral.
Oh, it's neutral?
No way, he gonna look at him. The car gonna be neutral, huh? Oh yeah, the car.
Car in neutral. Feet off pedals. Hands on, heads off wheel. Wipers off, antenna down. Wait, you're not driving it? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm scared. Oh no. Why is it like a thunder sound? Oh my god! No! No, I'm scared. Mommy. Oh no. Oh my god. Why is it like an airplane sound? Why does it look spiders? Oh, that's out. That scared me. Wait, what was that? Wait, it's done? Oh, that quick? Oh, I can smell the water. It smells so good. What is this? What is this? Oh. Well, that was... Bye.